Stop there, baby.
Why, Mama?
This place is not safe as you think.
Okay, Mama. Mama, I am feeling thirsty.
Come on, here is a beautiful stream. Baby, I will find some food for you.
Okay, Mama.
Wow, what a beautiful place it is.
Yeah, it is so beautiful. Look there, ice cream.
Wait, let me finish this. Hey, what are you doing? Don't throw it here.
It doesn't matter. Come, let us take a selfie.
Let's go there.
Oh, they have gone. Oh, what is this? It seems to be good. It also smells good. Let's have it. Oh, what happened to me? My stomach is paining. Mama, Mama, please come fast. My stomach is paining.
Baby, see what I have brought for you? It's something special. Baby, wake up. Wake up, baby. Baby, what's happened to you? Wake up. God, what happened to her? Now what I will do? Who did this to her? Wake up, baby. Wake up. Hey, look, what happened there?
It's a rabbit. I think it is dead. Who has thrown plastic here?
It is me. You have thrown the plastic here. Then you are responsible for that?
Who are you? Why are you here?
Sir, we are tourists. We came here to explore the place.
When we came here, we found the rabbit dead. Then, it is maybe because of plastic.
I am responsible for it.
Not only you, we are responsible for it. We are spoiling our environment.
The moral of the story is reducing or eliminating single-use plastic